Hello, today we will guide you through how to change chart type in Exness App. If you want to customize the way market data appears while trading, changing the chart type in the Exness App is a quick and useful adjustment. Different chart styles can help you read price movement more clearly, depending on your trading preference. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening the app to selecting the chart style you want to use. To begin, open the Exness app on your device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options appear properly. This makes the next steps easier to follow without missing anything on screen. After you're inside the app, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. This section is where you can view available trading instruments and access their charts. If you're already familiar with the app layout, this is the area where most chart-related options are typically found. Next, tap on a sample symbol to open its market view. This could be any instrument available in your trading list. The goal here is simply to open a symbol so you can access its chart settings. Once selected, you should be able to see the chart screen for that instrument. Now look to the top right corner and tap on Settings. This opens the options connected to the chart display and related preferences. If you don't spot it immediately, take a second to scan the upper right area carefully, as icons can sometimes appear small depending on your device screen size. From the Settings menu, tap on Charts. This section contains the visual chart options used to control how price action is displayed. It's where you can switch between available chart styles and make the view better suited to your needs. Finally, select the sample chart option you want to use. Once you tap your preferred chart type, the display should update so you can immediately see the change. This lets you compare the appearance and decide which style feels most comfortable for analysis and trading. That's all it takes to change the chart type in the Exness app. If you plan to review market trends often, it can be helpful to test different chart styles to find the one that makes movement easiest to understand. A cleaner chart view can improve readability and help you navigate the app more confidently.